Okay. Now then.
So tired.
My friend and I, well, this was my idea. We're going to have a burping contest, drinking, by far, I think, the best Pepsi I've ever tasted. Cherry vanilla Pepsi. Alright. Salud.
But for the record, I'm a girly girl. I will burp.
She already won that, probably. Alright, I'm going to try one more time. Ready? Down the hatch. Oh. I'm sorry if I sound like a guy, I don't care, you know. I mean, can any girl chug it without making more noises?
I know, right?
I'm not ashamed.
Guys are like, girls are like,
no, I'm like, no. I think I sound cute, whatever. Okay.
yeah, I can't burp. I told you. I'm not a baby. And watch it works.
Exactly, it worked for me. Okay, now I'm waiting for her. Got him in there. I can make myself burp. I know it's unladylike, but whatever. We want to have fun. So.
It's too unladylike for me.
Okay, let's do cute burps then. Oh, okay, let's do that.
There we go.
Okay.
Come on, go.
You know,
go on.
okay,
go
whoever is subscribed to me, maybe they should have a burping contest against me then and see and submit it. And if I don't follow you, I'll follow you just to see your burping video. Okay. Oh my gosh, I was like so burping the first time I was drinking this with my brother. I couldn't stop. I was laughing like crazy. So
You should have got RC.
I know it was very unladylike, but that felt good. I tried to do a cute burp, but it didn't come out like that. She went for the cute burp. I went for the probably nasty ass burp, but I don't care. I'm going to hang out.
This is nasty soda. You should have got RC.
It is not nasty. I don't like it. I love it.
Tastes like vanilla.
I love vanilla, so yeah. Can't do it. Well, I think if someone already won it. But, oh my gosh. It's like I can't burp on command. But
Okay.
anyways, could do something else. Could talk, whatever. No, I was just gonna tell you, well actually this is for our Spice vlog and stuff, and just wanted to show that we chill and do different things, you know. Singing, dancing, acting silly, and whatnot.
Silly.
I think we'll have to do a burping contest part 2, but with RC. We'll do it next
Yeah,
time.
RC, I'll be like,
Yeah.
chug that whole can.
Okay. I was all thinking maybe I could try to talk and burp at the same time. I wanted to say hello, but let me see. I couldn't.
Gross. I got another text.
Oh, okay. I actually gross her out. That'll be fun. They're just messing me up. That's what I get for holding in my burps. But I bet I could out burp all y'all. Because this is like my burping soda.
I bet I can't.
That was 4, sorry.
Okay, so I'm at 2. You're at 5.
Okay, I can throw that. There you go, that's nice. Nice. Sweet.
Just gotta wait till it settles.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, guys, right away.
What I wanted to share is, I wanted to actually tell her, earlier we were outside around 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And, wow, spirits never sleep. We heard stuff, saw
I have a
stuff.
big mouth, don't I?
I guess you won the big mouth contest. Just kidding. Well, you can see who else has the bigger mouth. But, like, it was weird. I was gonna tell her right as soon as we got inside, all I heard was whispering. Just non-stop. They wouldn't stop talking. I don't know, did you hear the same thing?
A little bit.
Man, I was all thinking too about
It's Bugs Bunny.
I guess he's doing a weird little vlog thingy, whatever.
He can't fly.
Yeah. He doesn't have his angel wings, which she took, but somebody yanked him off. I know. Oh, here it comes. most original wannabe burp.
That was the best one. I can't burp.
She wanted to do this contest. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to have somebody else.
Get the RC and
Okay.
then talk.
Alright, yeah, we'll do it too.
Make sure you get like a 12-pack of RC, because then I can burp 6 times. Like drink 6 of them and have one good burp, and each of them and have a bunch of like tiny burps.
Yeah, it's coming. They're coming again. I want to say hi.
Oh god.
Sorry. Okay, I could stop. I could burp at will and I could stop at will.
Okay, lucky.
Yeah, it's just me. Yeah, maybe you'll catch something or hear something. No, I was trying to say, too bad can't have somebody follow me around and just videotape me just to see if they can hear anything. Yeah.
We need music.
Alright, actually we're going to do a part 2 right now. We're going to sing. I was thinking of singing to either her ringtones first or mine. I have to do a playlist. And, okay, we'll be back. I won!
Wait, I have a burp! No, I don't. Bye.
Okay. Alright. I'm going to say...
Oh my god, people!